Good evening, everyone. Myself, Kunjesh Mahajan, roll number 80, and I'm going to teach you what is primary indexing in database management system. So, what is indexing? Indexing is a technique to optimize data retrieval. It speeds up scratch operations in databases, works similarly to an index in a book, points to the exact location of the data. Here are some types of indexing. First is primary indexing, second is secondary indexing, third is clustered indexing, and fourth is non clustered indexing. I am going to teach you what is primary indexing. So, primary indexing is built on the primary key of a table. It is automatically created in database management systems for primary keys, improves performance on primary key queries. Conclusion: primary indexing is tightly coupled with the table structure and is built on uniquely identifying attributes. Here are types of primary indexing or primary index. First is dense index. It is index record for every key search value. It takes more space, but it is faster lookup. Second, Sparks index. It is indexed only for some records. It takes less space, but it may need to search within block. Now, this is the structure of a primary indexing. Left hand side, you can see index file which has primary indexes, and right hand side, you can see database file which has primary keys. It is a store. Now, we can more look in structure of primary index. It is composed of index entries which consist of pointer and key which points to the location specifically of block address of the actual data. Stored order allowed efficient binary search. One index entry per block in sparse indexing only. On right hand side you can clearly see an index table, a pointer, a key and secondary memory where it points to. Now here are some advantages and disadvantages of primary indexing. First we will talk about advantages. Advantages consist of it is faster data retrieval. Second, efficient for range queries. Third, maintains order of data. Now we will talk about disadvantages of primary indexing. First is slower insertions and deletions. Second, it requires reorganizations on updates. Third, works best only when data is stored. So, we are concluding this video by 3 points. Understanding primary indexing. First is primary indexing enhances read performance using stored key based lookup. Second, dense and sparse indexing offers trade off in space and speed. Third, it is commonly used in relational databases for primary index key access. Thank you for your attention.